Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Yuliana. I am from class 3B, TBI 3B. Here I will explain the material about proverb and values. A definition of proverbs. Proverbs are simple or short sentences that are usually used to illustrate something or real truths that aim to educate through aphorisms, or also known as proverbs. Proverbs will usually guide and educate use as to how people should behave and are the agreement and approval of the general public. Proverbs are proverbs or proverbs consisting of groups of words or sentences that state the intentions, circumstance of a person or things that reveal about actions, behaviors, or things about someone. Proverbs can also be interpreted as expressions that are not direct, but implied to convey something that can be understood by the reader or listener. Another definition, according to the Proper Linguistic Dictionary, is a fragment of a sentence that has frozen its form, meaning, and function in society. Historically, the word proverb was taken from the Latin word proverbium. Proverbs are usually repeated because they are a consequence of the simple logical truth of what we actually think. The nature of the proverbs is a metaphor, so that what is said does not have a literal meaning, but there is a meaning more than that. Not infrequently, proverbs are also associated with legends from a certain country, so that there are many moral messages from the proverbs themselves. The characteristic of proverbs. 1. The words in the proverbs have a fixed structure, meaning that the words in the proverb are fixed and cannot be changed. 2. Proverbs are usually used with the aim of satire or also beautify language. 3. Proverbs use words that are regular, pleasant to hear, and have meaning. 4. Proverbs are usually created or formed based on very careful views and comparisons of nature and events that occur and apply in society. 5. Proverbs are formed with dense and beautiful language, but so that proverbs will stick in the mouths of the community for generations. See types of proverbs. Proverbs in English are almost the same as proverbs in Indonesia. The types are as follows. 1. Heretic or pameo. The dimple is a type of proverb that contains both sarcasm, ridicule, and warnings. For example, life is reluctant to thee, thus want to, as hammered to us astray on the road, and so on. 2. Proverb. A proverb is a type of proverb that contains sayings of or advice from parents, and usually this proverb is used to break the interlocutor. For example, like the earth and sky, like the fall of the moon, a little bit, slowly becoming a hill, let it be slow as long as it is safe and so on. 3. Parables. A parable is a table of power that contains words that express a person's state or behavior by taking comparisons from the natural surroundings and usually begins with the word like, back, like, and so on. For example, like a battle split in half, like a tiger hiding its claws, and so on. 4. Expressions. An expression is a figurative sentence about a person, condition, or behavior expressed by a proverb or a few words. Example, rumors, big hits, and so. 5. Image or like. Imagery is a figurative sentence that often uses the word like which I am to compare a thing or case. For example, the elders of Taro are getting older, and some of them are. 6. Motto. A motto is collection of words, sentences, or phrases that are used as principles or guidelines. For example, save money when you are wise. Work hard because you are smart. Clean because you are healthy, and so on. D. Example proverbs. 1. The early beat start catches the word. This proverb is a style of proverb that aims to remind your or others that fast people will benefit. In Indonesian, the proverb is who gets it fast. 2. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Health is important. Remind yourself to have healthy habits with the proverbs. 3. Action speaks louder. In this case, the evidence is action. 4. Good things must come to an in life. Everything will have an end, even the good things. 5. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Nothing will be achieved if you don't start now is what this proverb is trying to convey. 6. A stitch in time saves 9. The meaning is fix the problem now because it will get worse later, or immediately got something done before it got worse. Okay, next to values. Meaning value in Indonesian, value is general, is a value or assessment of anything based on its content or use. Based on our conclusions sourced from the Investopedia site, value is the monetary, material, or valuation value of an asset, goods, or service. The word value can be attached to a myriad of concepts including shareholder value, fair value, and market value. What is value? So, what actually is value? True, as we have explained in its general sense above, this word is more often referred to as values globally. Values can refer to broad presences regarding approach that action or outcomes, whereby values reflect one's feelings about right and wrong or what should be. In social life, values tend to influence attitudes and behavior, and this type includes ethical or moral values, doctrinal or ideological values, religion, politics, social values, and aesthetic values. In the business field, comparing the different work value and valuation from one company to another can help you determine investment opportunities. Various types and examples of value. How are the various types of values or values related to field and example of their use that you need to know? A. Computer and programming. The first kind and type of value is in the field of computers and programming. In computer programming, or what we are more familiar with programming. Read the meaning of programming here. Value or value is a definite object. 2. Market value. Then, when referring to the term market value or market value, the term value or value of something represents the value according to market participant in the stock market. To value a stock, market value is usually synonymous with the term market capitalization. Market capitalization is simple, the profit or net profit of a company divided by the total number of shares outstanding. C. Book value. Book value or book value means the value of the company according to its financial statements or according books. Book value is the amount of money remaining if a company liquidates or sells of its assets and pays off all of its financial obligations, such as debts or liabilities. D. Stock value. Stock value, or better known as stock value, is company stock that is traded at a lower price when considering its financial performance and fundamentals. E. Enterprise values. When referring to the term enterprise value, the term value means the total value of the company, which includes the company's cash on the balance sheets, short-term and long-term debts, as the company's market capitalization. F. Math. Through its math class, your teacher may ask questions like what is the value of 5 and 6, or what is the value. G. Ethics. In the field of ethics or ethic values are basic and fundamental beliefs that guide or motivate an attitude or action where they help us determine what is important to use. Okay. H. Use of other value. There are many other uses for the term value or value. For example, real estate and house have value associated with them. In a situation, something or someone can add a value or make something add a value. Okay, thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.